Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to perform keyword research using the free version of Semrush. Let's dive in. The first major feature we'll explore is keyword research. This is crucial if you want your content to rank well on search engines. Imagine you run a blog or website. You need to know exactly what your audience is searching for. With Semrush, you can enter a topic or a specific phrase, and the tool will generate a list of related high-traffic keywords. First, let's check out the keyword overview. Simply type your keyword here. Select your target location, I'm choosing India, and tap Search. You'll immediately see a variety of keyword ideas. Next is the keyword magic tool, which is where the magic really happens. You'll see a comprehensive list of related search terms. On the results page, pay close attention to the volume and keyword difficulty, or KD, columns. The KD metric helps you understand how hard it would be to rank for that term. Use the filter to set a range from 0 to 49, which is ideal for beginners, to see a refined list of easy-to-target keywords. Finally, let's look at the keyword gap feature. This allows you to find keywords your competitors rank for, but you don't. To use it, simply enter your URL and your competitor's URL. For example, if I search digital marketing freelance in India, I can take 2 of the top results and paste them here for comparison. You can add up to 3 competitors, but for now, I'll just compare 1. Once you hit Compare, you'll see all the keywords your competitor is ranking for that you are missing. You can use this data to plan future content or update your existing posts. And that is how you perform keyword research using Semrush for free.